Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. When I developed my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, the goal is that I will cook most of the food myself so I can reduce the consumption of fast and processed food as much as possible. This will lead to better control of the type of food that I put into my body. And one of the main goals of the fast cooking system is to help me to eat more vegetables. Kathy and Jim has adopted my fast cooking system about a year and a half ago. Recently, I sat down with them and I asked them what is their reaction to adopting the fast cooking system. They told me that the fast cooking system has changed their life. They said that they used to cook only about 20% of the time, and the remaining 80% of their diets come from fast and processed food, as well as eating out in restaurants. And now they cook 90% of the time all from scratch. More importantly is that they are eating far more vegetables than they have ever done before. Over the past 1.5 years, they eat more and more vegetables. And now vegetables probably represent 80 to 85% of their diet. Jim said they could attribute this change entirely due to the fast cooking system. Jim said that he used to hate vegetables, but not anymore. Jim said that he loves vegetables. Not only they taste great to him now, but he also feels much better after eating them. So I asked them what part of the fast cooking system that is most contributing to this change. And the answer is immediate and spontaneous. They said advanced prepping. Jim said without advanced prepping, eating vegetable is pretty much out of the question. Most of the time, the vegetables go bad on them before they have a chance to use them. They find it that they have to throw it away, and pretty soon they become quite discouraged to buy any fresh vegetable at all. They start to rely on frozen vegetables or canned vegetables, but they never quite the same. Jim told me that advanced prepping provides a solution in managing and cooking fresh vegetables. First and foremost, advanced prepping provides the efficiency in cooking vegetables. With all the ingredients already cut up and ready to cook, it takes away the barrier, making it far more conducive to cook. And now when they walk into the kitchen, in less than a few minutes, they are ready to cook. By storing all the ingredients in see-through containers, in a quick glance, they know what they have. This will allow them to make plans how to use them and reduce the waste. And now with advanced prepping, they hardly waste any food at all. Kathy is an artist. She really likes advanced prepping because she feels that the advanced prepping gives her a lot of choices in creating the type of dish that she has in mind. She said now with advanced prepping, every week she will have at least 10 to 12 different vegetable ingredients all ready to go. And therefore, when she's ready to cook, all these food ingredients just like the paint in a paint palette. She can pick and choose to create the final dish that she has in mind. And because of advanced prepping, cooking has become a creative process. Kathy said the next attribute that makes cooking and eating vegetables so straightforward and simple is stir frying. She said the wok is like a salad bowl that you can use to mixing different vegetables together. The only difference is that in a salad bowl, you just mix the vegetable, but in a wok, after you mix the vegetable, you also cook them at the same time. Essentially, the wok is a skillet that you use to cook the vegetable, and you mix different vegetables together. And because of the bowl shape of the wok, it allows you to mix things much easier than if you were in a skillet. And since you fry the food ingredients, it gives them much better flavor. And by adjusting how long you're going to cook each ingredient, it gives you much better control of the outcome of the dish. And when you combine stir frying with advanced prepping, with all the different ingredients that you can pick and choose, the end result is that you can create infinite variety of dishes. And more importantly, it is the assortment of different food ingredients that make the dish great. As you said, you can look at this the same way as you are making a salad. By using different food ingredients in a salad, you can make a salad far more interesting. Similarly, a vegetable medley is more interesting and delicious than a dish with only 1 or 2 vegetables. Kathy said she really appreciates the beauty of advanced prepping in combination with stir frying in create vegetable medleys. They now routinely create vegetable medleys up to 6 or 7 different ingredients. They found that now they could create an entirely new dish by using slightly different combinations or in the ratio of the food ingredients that go into the dish. They also now constantly exploring new vegetable ingredients that they could use in creating this vegetable medley. They were surprised by how many different kinds of vegetables that are available. They discover vegetables that they have never known exist, particularly when they go to ethnic grocery stores. For example, recently Kathy and Jim discovered the bitter taste of the bitter melon. And by adding a small amount to their vegetable medley, it definitely makes a huge difference to the dish. It created an entirely new culinary experience that they never have before. My personal experience in eating more vegetables using advanced prepping and stir frying match exactly the description given by Kathy and Jim. At the end of our conversation, Kathy and Jim told me that let your viewer know if they want to eat more vegetable combined advanced prepping and stir frying. You will discover how amazing vegetables are with their great flavor and texture. Jim and Kathy told me that after they substitute vegetable for fast and processed food in their diet, their health naturally improved. Their weight gradually dropped because they are eating more vegetables which contain far less calories than fast and processed food. They got to eat what they want to eat and they are totally content. I post a video every day to help people to learn about my fast cooking system. The word fast stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. If you'd like to learn more and also adopt my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.